Fry's
Yeah.
closed. Fry's Electronics. Did you ever have the pleasure of visiting one, Luke?
No, never.
Man, it was kind of like Best Buy meets Radio Shack back in the like late 90s meets NCIX and meets Costco. It,
I've been to a Micro Center, and I actually thought that was really cool. How do they compare?
if Micro Center is like Nestor's Market, then Fry's is like it's Costco. Like it's just
Oh,
it,
cool.
it
Okay.
was on a very like just an incredible scale. This place, I
I'm surprised, and I know we're gonna get into it. They blame things like the coronavirus and like shifting purchasing styles and like lots of this kind of stuff. But
sure.
it seems like a weird time. Every place I know of is just exploding. Like tech stuff is flying off the shelves constantly. Everyone else seems to be doing great.
Yeah.
I'm a little
So
lost.
here's the thing. Fries, and there's a really, really great video about it from, oh, what is the channel called? I think it's called Retail Archaeology. Retail Archaeology. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's the channel, Fries. Yep. Yeah. Did an absolutely fantastic video 2 years ago talking about Fry's going out of business, and a year ago talking about, hey, is Fry's going to be gone soon? Um, the writing has clearly been on the wall for a long time, and the reality of it is that Fry's business model of like these enormous stores with the way that rent prices have gone up and the
Okay.
way that
Yeah.
electronics margins have gone down is just not sustainable anymore. So, whatever they might say about COVID-19 and blah, 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 the part they say about changes in the retail industry, that's certainly true. But pretty much anything else is not kind of what happened. So it's clear that they've been winding down for quite some time. Their stores have had empty shelves for literally years. It's
Do you feel like they kind of gave up?
oh, I mean, I don't think they had any choice but to give up. But it's pretty
No, but
sad.
like, couldn't they have just transitioned to smaller stores if that's the problem?
Well, here's the thing. If you've never been in a Fry's, you don't really like understand a Fry's. So they had these crazy, incredible, like themed stores. Like people are going to look back at this in 50 years and be like, holy smokes, that was a store? Like, look at this one that's got a UFO looking like it crashed into the front of it. They had all these cool props inside and stuff. Like, going to Fry's was totally an experience. And you
Wow.
just,
Okay.
yeah, you
Yeah,
just,
I'm just catching up with the stream. That's what the heck?
it's incredible. You just can't really do it anymore. So, a lot of people are really sad about it, but I guess there's more business for Micro Center, or if anyone else wants to come in and swoop in and snatch up that business. That's yeah, it's very unfortunate. There's no way that you're going to end up with an electronics retailer back in a space like that. Though the couple that I went to were just monstrous. They were just unbelievable. Like just having, never mind stocking it, having enough demo units that it wouldn't feel like an empty cavernous vault would cost hundreds of thousands, even getting into the seven figures, just to have enough product out on the shelves to look not, and barren and ridiculous.